The Citrix Cloud platform has several components, most of which Citrix manages and supports. In this video, we'll describe the components which make up Citrix Cloud platform. There are 6 main components that make up the Citrix Cloud platform. Let's review each component in more details. The primary component of the Citrix Cloud platform is the control plane. The control plane encompasses several components responsible for functions of Citrix Cloud, such as authentication and service delivery. There are several control planes, each hosted in public cloud and spread across several geographic locations, including North America, Europe, and Asia. When you sign up for a Citrix Cloud account, you'll be able to select a region which determines the control plane used for all service activity. Citrix engineering and operation team manage and maintain the components that make up a control plane, and due to this, the control plane is always up to date. Cloud services. The Citrix product delivered using Citrix Cloud are known as services, example of which include Citrix Gateway, content collaboration, virtual apps and desktop, and endpoint management. Citrix engineering and operation team manage and maintain the infrastructure of Citrix, and each service update after every short duration. When you subscribe to any service, Citrix assign an entitlement to your Citrix Cloud account, which could be one of several types such as trial, paid, or free, depending on the service. Resource location. Resource location contain the resources required to deliver cloud services to your subscribers. Resource location contain different resources depending on which Citrix Cloud services you are using and the services that you want to provide to your subscriber. Example of resource location include group of virtual machine, hosting apps and desktop, or group of web server hosting enterprise web application. Each resource location has a defined network boundary and must be able to communicate to both Citrix Cloud and customer managed infrastructure. You can host resource location in on-premises data center or from public or private cloud, and the resource in those locations can include items such as hypervisor, virtual machines, and Citrix component such as virtual delivery agent. Cloud Connector. The Citrix Cloud Connector is a Citrix component that serves as a channel for communication between Citrix Cloud and your resource location, enabling cloud management without requiring any complex networking or infrastructure configuration. Customer deploy Cloud Connector in each resource location, due to which customer does not need to manage critical infrastructure for each product they purchase. Management and maintenance of Cloud Connector is the cooperative responsibility of both Citrix and the customer. Citrix engineering and operation team update Cloud Connector automatically, while customer must ensure continual availability of the virtual machine hosting the Cloud Connector software. The next component is the management console. It is a web-based interface accessible anywhere by going to cloud.com. Once logged in customer managed account access through identity and access management, they can configure resource location and deploy Cloud Connector and deliver resource to user through the library.